I made a graph of 4 different versions of populations, 3 of them being human population, and then 1 of them being bald eagle. The first one is what you're looking at right now, the USA population from 1900 to 2000, every 10 years. If we open it up, it's a power type of, this blue line, which is the approximation, is a power type of regression. I don't know what that means. And the correlation with the actual data is 96%, and it's going up. It doesn't seem to have like a linear, it looks kind of linear, but it's not. Anyway. And here's the China population. If I drag this here, it's a lot higher than the USA, so I have to zoom in. China population. This is all the data. The M of 2 is added so that it doesn't show 2 of them at once. And then it actually uses logistic, which has 3 variables. Their first one has this with 9 zeros after it, and then 29, and then negative that. Correlation is 97%. And this is the global population. I don't know why I didn't do this one first. But whatever. It's also logistic. And it has pretty similar variables. The correlation is, if I zoom in, is 95% approximately.
Look at this increase so much.
Yeah, it increases a lot here.
Wow, this is a big change in the past 300 years.
Yeah. Oh. This mouse glitched for some reason. Okay. This is the bald eagle population. If I go to the 4th and zoom in. So you can actually see here it was pretty high, and then it declined because
when?
In approximately 1950 is when it really declined.
Yeah.
And then it went down because of hunting and pesticides, and then it has gone up recently.
Interesting.
I couldn't find any data past 2003, so that's why I have.
So this is a big change going down, and then another big change coming back up in the last 2 decades.
You can't really predict that using one mathematical expression, so it just does straight line, go down, another straight line, which you can for some reason do with one.
Can you show us the equation?
It looks like this because it does this, but this is the first one. This
The
is
first
the
what?
The first parameter.
Yeah.
400,000, and then it's this. It is this, but 0 point, and then 280 zeros before this actually appears, which is very small, and then 33305.
And what does that number represent? C.
If I go up to here and functions, so this is the growth function. I can move it over. Unless it's not gonna let me do that. There we go.
Yeah.
So this is what the 400,000 was. It's this right here. And this 1 here is always there. And this B was the very small number times E. I don't know why it's always E, but E is the Euler constant. And then C, which was that negative number, I think it was negative. And then T is just point in time.
T is time. Lowercase t is time? What is uppercase t?
Type.
Type.
Type of thing. And yeah, that's my population model.